Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2015 Ford Focus. Focus has more cool tech, more of what you're looking for. From any point of view, more than meets the eye. This vehicle has less than 70,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, brake assist, traction control, stability control, engine immobilizer, driver illuminated vanity mirror, front disc and rear drum brakes, front wheel drive, tire pressure monitor. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.